Hey guys, welcome back to the Watch Knitting YouTube channel. This is Friba and today I'm going to show you how to create an easy butterfly pattern. It's beautifully textured, totally beginner friendly, and works perfectly for so many projects, especially for baby items. This pattern is based on a multiple of 6 stitches plus 3 and is worked over 16 rows, 8 rows of the main pattern and 8 rows of offsetting rows. All the wrong side rows are purled across, and since it's built on repeating rows, it's super easy to follow and memorize. For this tutorial, I will be using this lightweight yarn with 2mm needles. I've already cast on 21 stitches, which gives me 3 full repeats of the pattern. To set up, I worked a couple of rows in garter stitch, knit one row, then knit the return row, just to create a neat base for the pattern. Let's dive in. Okay, we're going to start with the wrong side of the pattern, and as I mentioned before, the wrong side will be purled across. For the edge stitches at the beginning, I'm going to pick up the stitch and then purl across this row. For the edge stitch at the end of the row, this stitch over here, I'm gonna knit. So I will purl across this row and I will be back. Okay, now I finish my purl row, row 1. So this row will be row 2. For row 2, row 4, and row 6, we're going to repeat the same steps. And for that, we're going to start by picking up the edge stitch. And then I will knit 2 stitches at the beginning of the row. And then I will bring the yarn to the front and slip 3 stitches to my right needle. And then knit 1. So we started for the 6 stitches, we did 2 knit stitches, slip 3 and knit 1. So we're going to repeat again, knit 2, yarn in front and slip 3 stitches and knit 1. And if you pay attention, your knit stitches beside each other will be 3 knit stitches. Slip 3, and at the end you're going to end the row with 2 knit stitches and knitting the edge stitch. So one more time here, 2 knit stitches at the beginning, then your order will be 3 slip stitches with yarn in front, 3 knit, 3 yarn in front slip, and 3 knit, and you continue until the end, and you finish with 2 knit stitches and knitting the edge stitch. So the wrong side row, we're gonna purl across. I'm gonna fast forward through the purl rows just to save a little bit of time. Okay, I ended row 3 and here I'm again in row 4, and I'm gonna repeat the same steps to make another horizontal strand here, like this one here. So the repeat is exactly the same thing. Slip the first stitch and then knit 2 and then slip 3 with yarn in front, knit 3, and continue all over this row. So we're gonna repeat again this step one more time in row 6, and we're gonna have 3 horizontal strands to create the pattern. End of row 5 and row 6, we're gonna repeat again the same steps. Slip the edge stitch, knit 2, slip 3 with yarn in front, knit 3, and continue till end. Okay, now I made 3 horizontal strands here. Next, I will work my purl across row, and then I will be back with row 8 to shape our butterflies. Okay, now I have prepared my 3 horizontal strands. Next, we are in row 8 and we're gonna shape the butterflies. So I'm gonna start with picking up the edge stitch. Then I will knit until I reach to the center stitch, the center stitch over these strands, this one here. So I will knit 1, 2, and 3. Now here in the center stitch, I'm going to insert my right needle from under the strands, the horizontal strands, and then knit this stitch here, but I'm not going to let this leg go. So I will keep that one there, and I will pull through the new stitch under the strands, and then I will put it back on the left needle. Now I will knit these 2 stitches together through the back loop, and then adjust your yarns a little bit, and you're going to get the butterfly stitch. I will repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stitches, and here again insert the right needle on from under the strands, knit the center stitch, pull the new stitch from under the strands, put it on the left needle, and knit them together through the back loop. Adjust the yarn a little bit and repeat after 5 knit stitches. This is my last one here. And then end of the row, you're going to have 3 knit stitches before the edge stitch. Okay, right now we complete the first section of the pattern. Next, I'm gonna work my purl row, and we're gonna work the offsetting rows. Okay, I ended my row 9 purl row, and here we're gonna start new strands. We're gonna work the new pattern in these on these 3 stitches right here. So I'm gonna knit the stitches until I reach that point there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. So right now I'm in those 3 stitches, this space here. I will repeat the same thing, yarn in front, slip 3 stitches, knit 3, slip 3. So we're gonna repeat these steps for another 2 rows. And end of the row here, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 knit stitches before the edge stitch. So we're gonna repeat the same steps until we get 3 horizontal lines over there. I'm gonna work those fast forward, and we'll be back with the end part. Okay, now I'm in row 16, which is the last row of the repeat. And as you see, I have those 3 horizontal strands on between 2 patterns, on top of 2 patterns. And next I'm going to repeat the same process to offset the previous section. So we're gonna knit until we are in the center stitch. The same thing here, and place it back on the left needle, knit it two together, and make the pattern. And that's it for butterfly stitch. There are many variations of this technique that can create magical patterns. This is the basic version that you can easily adopt for lots of projects. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new stitch pattern from my channel. Thank you for watching and happy knitting.